In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show bookmarks on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it is where many important settings and tools are located. Go ahead and click the 3 dots to open the menu. A drop-down list will appear. From here, move your mouse pointer down the list until you find the option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. Do not click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it and keep the pointer there for a moment. When you hover, a side menu will slide out with additional bookmark-related options. In that side menu, find and select Show Bookmarks bar. As soon as you click it, Chrome will turn the Bookmarks bar on. You can confirm it worked by looking just below the address bar, which is the long field at the top where you type website addresses. You should now see a thin horizontal bar. This is the Bookmarks bar, and it is designed to give you quick, one-click access to your saved bookmarks. If you have already saved bookmarks, you may see icons or website names appear on that bar right away. If the bar is empty, that is normal too. It simply means you do not have bookmarks saved to the Bookmarks bar yet, but the bar is now visible and ready to use. There is also a faster way to turn the Bookmarks bar on or off. This is helpful if you want more screen space sometimes and quick access at other times. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and B at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and B at the same time. Each time you use that shortcut, Chrome will toggle the Bookmarks bar, meaning it will switch between showing and hiding it. If you ever think the bar did not appear, make sure Chrome is the active window and try the menu option again. Once it is enabled, that thin bar below the address bar is your visual confirmation, and that is all there is to it.